If your Instagram story views are too low and you want to get more views and more clicks in stories, I have a great strategy for you, but I have to warn you, you have to be lazy to make it work. I used to post the regular stories, and I still do, which they're designed or they are like a video that we created or we share a reel that we posted, and those usually get around 700 views. Now, when I let all my stories expire for at least half a day, and I post a story that is not designed at all. It's a blacked out page with white text explaining what I want to say to them with a link for them to click. I get around 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, even up to 6,000 views. And the amount of clicks I get are proportionally as high, sometimes getting to like 300, 400 clicks in one story. And here's why this strategy works. When people are scrolling on Instagram stories, what are they seeing? They see people film themselves. They see those talking head stories. They see design stories with beautiful like branding and colors and text, even links. Then they see shared reels to stories and shared posts to stories. And then they bump into one that is completely black with white text and nothing else. And they'll be like, oh, I wonder what this is. It sounds like a very important official statement that people needed to say it so much they didn't even have time to create something different. So it makes them see it and read it because it pops. Now, here's the trick. When should you use it? I usually save those blacked out stories for when I want people to click on a link. So whether it's something I'm selling, an affiliate offer, or a freebie that I'm trying to get a lot of people to download, those are the perfect times to use this strategy. So again, let your stories expire, at least for 12 hours. Put up your black story with the link, one story, not a sequence of stories, one story. And then you wait until that story expires again until you put any other stories up there. So what you're going to do is you're going to start a story as usual. And you have two options to do this. Either you are going to open the camera and take a selfie. It doesn't really matter what you take a photo of. And you're going to click the three buttons and you're going to draw. And you're going to select the black and you're going to tap and hold your screen until it's completely black. Then you're going to go and write anything you want in the main font, the default font on Instagram in white. So let me say I'm going to write something and make it a little longer, not just like 2 lines. Make it a little paragraph or even 2, but explain why you needed to say. And you could even start with something like, before I forget, because that makes it sound very important. So before I forget, if you haven't entered the Reels Award show, this is the time. I would even write a little more, but just for the sake of keeping this short, I'm going to go here then and get the link. I'll set up the link, put it on my story, customize the link sticker text. So I'm going to say, enter your Reels now. And I'm going to put okay. And there's my story. It's that simple. The black story is such a good strategy to sell that we even incorporated that into our campaign strategy, which is called the 8-day campaign. So if you want to sell more of your business, check out the 8-day campaign. It has all the templates you need and the strategy and the calendar for you to run a campaign and sell your offers.